Let's connect your PS4 to a HiSense Roku TV the quick and correct way possible. So first you have to make sure you have a PS4, a power cable and HDMI cable ready. Now plug the power cable into the back of your PS4, then connect one end of the HDMI cable to the console and the other end to an available HDMI port on your back of your TV. And after that, plug the power cable into a power outlet. Now press the power button on the PS4 to turn it on. Next, switch your TV to the correct HDMI input and from the home screen, go to TV inputs and then select HDMI port where your PS4 is connected. So once the PS4 startup screen appears, give it a moment to load. Now grab your controller and press the PlayStation button. If it doesn't connect automatically, use a USB cable to connect the controller to the PS4. Then press the PlayStation button again to pair it. And once connected, sign into your PlayStation account and that's it. Now enjoy your gaming with your PS4 to a HiSense Roku TV perfectly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix669 till then.